Hello, hello to all low carbers out there. I just want to show you how I usually prepare a beef liver dish. But first, did you know that beef liver is a nutritious food which is naturally high in protein, vitamins, nutrients, and minerals? The nutritional properties of beef liver can benefit the immune system, tissue repair, and energy production. So some people may not enjoy its unique flavor, but there are a number of ways to prepare beef liver and make it tasty. With butter, you can stir fry it quickly on high heat until the liver is no longer raw. Also, you can cook it like other cuts of beef and include flavors, seasonings, and vegetables of choice that may help disguise the liver's unique taste. While beef liver is cheap, yet it is rich in high quality protein and low in calories, and it is a readily available meat known for being healthy and nourishing. And although it is true that the liver has an important function in filtering toxins, however, it does not store them. Instead, the liver stores many important nutrients which can actually help the body remove toxins. So just like the small amount of beef liver can provide more than the daily value for many essential nutrients and typically contains more vitamins than many fruits and vegetables. And in addition to their good vitamin profile, animal livers such as beef liver are also rich in minerals, including zinc, iron, phosphorus, selenium, and copper. And these minerals are good for the body in the following ways. Zinc supports the immune system. Iron is essential for proper hemoglobin production. Phosphorus aids bone and tooth health. Selenium plays an important role in metabolism. And copper, it is vital for energy production. So there you go. Make sure to include beef liver in your healthy diet because liver is nature's multivitamin.